My name is Laura Ridgway and I'm Team Manager for Care and Support North. So I'm looking for social workers coming into the team who are motivated, who are dedicated and who are committed to getting the right outcomes for their children and families. But I want people to come in who can remember what they've come into social work practice for, because this is a difficult job. But most of all, I want them to come and be happy. I want them to come into an environment which I know can be offered that is safe and gives you regular informal supervision and an open door whenever you need it. So working for Powys offers you the flexibility to work at home. It offers you the flexibility to work out of different offices, so whether that's for my team, colleagues will work out of Welshpool or Newtown, but you also can go to Landod and find a desk there and everybody will welcome you in, expects to see you. And I think that's really unique for Powys, that you can literally go anywhere to hot desk, and it's accessible to Wrexham, Telford, Shrewsbury. So whilst Powys may sound like a million miles away, in deep dark Wales it really isn't. It's accessible to wherever you are, and we have social workers who are travelling from Chester. We've had social workers who've come from Wolverhampton, for example. There's nothing in Powys that will keep you stuck in one position if you don't want to be there. There's lots of opportunities for lots of training, and that includes if you come into the team as a principal social worker, for example, or a senior social worker, for example. There's lots of opportunities to progress through completing management courses. If you're looking for a new opportunity, just apply, ring and have an informal chat with us. We want you to come to Powys, we want you to be part of the changes that we're making here. It's a really exciting time to come and join us.